Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So you've encountered a problem on Instagram where there is a following or followers limit, where you always follow somebody and get a notification that hinders you from following again. So the reason is that Instagram may flag you as a robot or as a spam or as a AI that is a real human person that keeps on following people now and then. So I have a work around here that may fix that, and I've actually tried it on myself and it actually worked out. Okay? So first things first, please open Instagram. And by the way, if you're using your phone, this is actually the same process. So you can just follow through here, okay? So with this, click on the three lines on your phone. Actually, this is located on the top right. And go to settings. Once you're in settings, I want you to click on apps and websites directly right here. So as you can see here, there is going to be a three sections: active, expired, and remove. So what we're looking for here is third-party applications that are pre-installed without your knowledge by Instagram itself. So this is gonna be the section where you can find them. For example, if you find them here under active, just remove them right here, and your following and followers limit should be okay. If you see them here and expired or removed, and that is also good. However, the most important part here is active right here. So just remove them real quickly, and then you can just take a break, cool it off, do not follow yet, and let it uh, sit for a while. For example, let a week pass by before following and following sometime again, okay? And that being said, I hope that you can follow some more. Just cool it for a while, okay? Don't follow just yet after removing the third-party application right here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe. Have a safe one.